Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a modular system brought to us by Avatar Controls. This is the Freecube, and it's also on Kickstarter. Let's check it out. So if someone were to ask me, what's the Freecube? The answer is, it depends, because it's a modular system that can be configured to meet your needs. So first of all, it's a power supply that's going to be able to power both USB devices as well as standard electrical devices like a laptop, an iPad, as well as a MacBook Pro, anything that can plug into an electrical socket or can be charged via USB. It's also a wireless charging base, which is going to support not only your Samsung and let's say LG devices that support Qi charging, but it's also going to support the iPhone 10 and 8, which now support wireless charging. It's a lighting system too that's going to be able to illuminate your area, as well as it could be a speaker too. Or guess what? It could be all these things combined. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So let's start with the basic component, and that is the power cube. So in this area you have USB charging ports that are intelligent ports that are going to charge any device, ranging from an Android to an Apple device to headphones, earbuds, whatever you can charge via USB, you're going to be able to plug it into these ports, and it's going to intelligently adjust the current to support the specific device that you've plugged in. But it also has the ability to support standard electrical devices. So if you have let's say a Surface Book Pro, or you have a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, and you need to connect it, you can definitely connect it on either side, as well as standard USB chargers that have additional USB ports. Now, it doesn't end here, because simply put, this is a modular system that by removing the cover, as you see here, you create a stackable experience. So now what I have here also is a lighting module. Now this lighting module is touch based, and if I put this here for a second, this lighting module, as I place it right on top, magnetically locks into place just as it is right there, and will support various lighting modes. Now the lighting module is motion and touch controlled. So if I bring my hand down and it senses it, let's do this one more time. There we have the light will turn on. Now there are 3 lighting modes, or 3 intensities, and basically by bringing your hand to the light source, it will adjust each time. So we'll try that. That's one setting. Let's do that again. And that's the highest setting. So simply all you have to do is touch it to change the lights, and then wave or come close to it to change the intensity. One more wave and it turns off. Now another module that you have is you can configure it to have the charging unit, the light, and you could choose to have a wireless charger. All of these are interlockable, and you'll notice that the little light is on, indicating that this wireless charging pad would work. And again, this is going to support your iPhone 10 as well as any Qi charging device. But this is very easy to change things up. So I can remove this part out of here and then just turn it into this. So now it's just a charging solution that's going to support wireless charging as well as the wired devices. Or again, I can reconfigure it to include the lights and the wireless charger. Let's see how the wireless charger works. Now, as I mentioned, this is not only going to support your standard Qi charging devices, which have existed for quite some time in the Android ecosystem, but it's also going to support the Apple one. So we're going to put our iPhone here, and you'll notice that it turned on and it's charging. Now, one of the things that you could do is continue to configure. So I'm going to remove the top, and I'm going to put this module here. Now, this module is a speaker module. This speaker module supports a USB input, as you can see right there, as well as the micro SD. Now, you'll notice that this was already on when I was putting it on top of the base. And it was on because this has a built-in battery. That battery can be used to take it from room to room and play wirelessly as you have any device. So now I have, in the Freecube, I have a charging base, an LED light source, a speaker, and a wireless charger. Now the Freecube is going to continue to be enhanced to also include additional features like having a built-in projector and also an Alexa module. So very powerful solution when it comes to creating, again, that not only entertainment device, but that power device as well. Let's check and see how the speaker works. All right, so let's go ahead and test out how the audio quality is going to come through the speaker. I'm going to go ahead and try some beats just so that you can hear the bass, the highs and the mids, and the lows. So let's go ahead and try that. Go ahead and turn this on.
Bluetooth mode.
So that's at the highest volume. I'm going to reduce it again. I'm going to bring it up again. Okay, let's try a different one. That's at the highest volume. I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to increase it again. Try another one. Lowering. Increasing the volume again. Try one more. So, great bass, great mids and highs, overall, great music experience. So there you have it, guys. That's the Freecube, a fully configurable solution to meet your power needs, your lighting needs, your music needs, and your charging needs. If you have any comments or questions, leave in the comment area. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by hitting that button. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.